If you're an affiliate marketer or trying to make money online, then this message is for you. Did you know that the net sales for Amazon in 2016 exceeded $100 billion? Were you aware that Amazon's affiliate program is by far one of the biggest in the entire world? While there may be a lot of people leveraging this and generating income from it, there's still a ton of people who either aren't using it, don't know how, or aren't aware of it. The fact still remains that it's one of the most lucrative and easiest ways to make affiliate sales online. So, how can you learn all of the essentials for Amazon's affiliate program? Well, with this short but action-packed digital course that covers everything Amazon marketing related, you'll discover just that. Inside this course, you'll understand how, why, and where. Additionally, you'll be given all of the tips that you need to know for getting started properly. Whether you're new to marketing or experienced, there's everything inside of this course that's going to greatly increase your success rate with Amazon affiliate marketing. Just grab your copy using the button on the page below.